The Industrial Revolution is being put on trial. The million-dollar question, was it good or bad for humanity? The prosecution are standing their ground, saying the Industrial Revolution had an overall negative impact on humanity after it began in the mid-1700s in England. Before you choose a side, it's important to know what the Industrial Revolution was all about. To help you, I've collected information on the revolution as well as interviewing participants of the trial. So really, what was the Industrial Revolution? The Industrial Revolution took place around the late 18th to early 19th centuries and resulted in profound economic and social transformations. It's also important to note the technological advances, economic growth, changes in communication and transportation, the development of new markets, and changes in social structure. As one of my defense sources put it, who requested to stay nameless, it clearly advanced our society and all of human history. So you might be thinking, how could something that advanced society so intensely possibly have a negative impact? As the new working class developed, factories had large amounts of workers to run the newly advanced machinery. Some factory owners considered their employees as nothing more than commodities, and the majority of women and children that filled those roles were subject to long hours, low wages, and terrible working conditions. I interviewed Caroline Dickerson, a prosecution witness, and here are her statements.
I was a child laborer, and that was really dangerous work. It hurt me. I could have gotten injured. Maybe I'm dead. We don't know. A lot of them probably died. And we got paid very little compared to the adults. And we were just trying to support our families.
Who knows what evidence will be presented from each side and what sides the jury will take? The only way to know is to tune in here on my section of the website to be up to date on all the latest news of the trial of the century. Check back on trial days for more on the best quotes, the most shocking evidence, and the most dramatic moments from the courtroom.
Hey now, you're an all-star, get your game